Packing for a long road trip. Hi, I'm Frankie and this channel is Joy Route. Welcome. When you see this video, I'm going to be on an epic road trip with a friend. If you've ever taken a long road trip, and who hasn't, you know packing is important. I remember taking long road trips with my grandparents and my beloved grandmother. She always overpacked. The children, we had to be stuffed in the back seats like sardines. Back to the epic road trip. You know that a road trip can be life-changing, one big adventure after another. The first thing you're going to want to do is to make a list. Make a list because you don't want to forget anything. I live full-time in a mini camper van on a recent 20-day road trip, I forgot my blanket and my pillows. I had a sleeping bag and beach towels that I use for bed sheets, but I was lost without my pillows and main blanket. I ended up having to purchase those items, and it was money I could have used for something else. I found out quickly that not only is it important to make an essential packing list, you have to make it's a given packing list. On that list includes stuff that you take for granted that you won't forget. Who would think they would forget their blanket and pillows? Here I'm simply organizing my van to see where everything will fit nicely. I purchased some clear bags. I guess you can call them stadium clear bags. My cousin also gave me a few clear bags. The zipper on the bags that my cousin gave me that a sheet set was in, they have already torn. So it's probably best to invest in some bags that you buy online. Invest in some strong quality packing bags, which are like packing cubes. I have several sets of packing cubes that don't work for me because I wanted cubes that held a shape, and also I wish they were clear. I also wish they were clear cube bags so that you can peek inside. The plastic cube bag that my cousin gave me, that the sheets came out of, it's a nice size cube, but the zipper has already broken. Child. So far, I'm liking these clear bags for packing. I can fit a couple other bags on the side of my bed and a couple in my front seat on the floor. I'm also considering getting an overhead rack if I keep this van, and those clear bags for packing would be a good fit in an overhead rack. So under here is my clothes. See my clothes? Clothes. Here's my water. In this bag is miscellaneous items, shoes. Here's some more clothes. These are shoes. My Joy Route letters. Right down here is food cooler. This is actually snacks right here. This is all I have. This is, my cleaning supplies. And these are my cleaning supplies. Well, that's it. You don't need to pack up everything. That's it. All good. Tacos. We got 3 tacos.
Buckeye barbecue. I got this at the house too.
You got the salt at the house?
Yeah.
Oh.
They sell it up there. Let me know when you want to try one before I kill them all.
They let us know, huh?
Alright, you just watch. Mess with this place. I think that's one of the best. Grab anyone you want.
Swap. Sons are swapping. Y'all both can have a fish taco. I'm not gonna eat all 3. Don't worry about what I got. Fish tacos. I got wings. And son here. What'd you get Phoenix on?
Buckeye barbecue, the classics.
Buckeye barbecue. He got fries. I got garlic something and spicy. I got fish tacos. What did Beloved get? Let's see what you got, Greedy. I ain't gonna put you on there. I'm just seeing. Okay. All right. Try one of my fish tacos. We got 3 tacos.
Buckeye barbecue. I got this at the house too.
You got the salt at the house?
Yeah.
Oh.
They sell it up there. So you know when you want to try one before I kill them all.
They let us know, huh?
Alright, you just watch. Mess with them. Mess with this place. I think that's one of the adjust it. Grab anyone you want.
Swap. Sons are swapping. Y'all both can have a fish taco. I'm not gonna eat all 3. So what do y'all think about me going van life, moving to California? I mean, not moving to California, but just driving these mountains and doing van life. So what do y'all think about me going van life, moving to California? I mean, not moving to California, but just driving these mountains and doing van life.
Yeah, you fulfilled?
You said if it's fulfilling.
Yeah.
Are you nervous? Are you scared of me? Are you?
No, that's.
Why? Somebody charging something else?
It's a different lifestyle.
Do you think I'll be safe?
I'm praying that you be safe.
What about you? You think I'll be safe, VFA?
Cut.
Cut. You said cut. He said he don't care if I'm safe. No, I'm just kidding. You think I'll be safe? I ain't got y'all on camera. I just got y'all food. You think I'll be safe? You.
Yeah, you fulfilled?
You said if it's fulfilling.
Yeah.
Are you nervous? Are you scared of me? Are you?
No, that's.
Why? Somebody charging something else?
It's a different lifestyle.
Do you think I'll be safe?
I'm praying that you be safe.
What about you? You think I'll be safe, VFA?
Cut.
Cut. You said cut. He said he don't care if I'm safe. No, I'm just kidding. You think I'll be safe? I ain't got y'all on camera. I just got y'all food. You think I'll be safe? You don't care.
You should know. You should be telling me.
He said I should be telling him if I'll be safe.
No, for real.
I had fish tacos. I had
Safe
dusted.
on the road, of course.
Yeah, you want me to say. I'm gonna be safe. I'm a smart lady.
I ain't saying that. I'm saying driving in and of itself is something.
Driving it out.
Just saying driving on the highway.
Mm-hmm.
Take care of that car. In and of itself is something in itself.
Okay, so it's driving on highway, so. What about people when I'm parked at
Then-
truck stop?
Of course, that's another major. It's a life. This is what you doing. So
So I tell them,
if you already know that, you already know the risk. You already know any potential type of things because of.
I really don't feel like it's a risk at the truck stop because I'm always gonna be safe.
Not even there, but just in general.
Mm-hmm.
The life, just that.
I'm
How
just,
you gonna do that?
I'm gonna get food.
The light is pretty bright.
Oh, I'm just got on your food.
Video. My friend is about to get on the road, okay?